Have you ever wondered if it's actually possible to earn money from home using your phone? Not with a fancy computer, not with expensive equipment, not with years of experience, just your phone, an internet connection, and a simple strategy. Because in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how beginners are earning money from home using their phones in 2026, and why I believe this is one of the easiest ways for ordinary people to start building an online income. Now, before we get started, let's be realistic. This is not a magic app. This is not some secret loophole, and I'm definitely not promising you'll get rich overnight. What I am going to show you is a real strategy that people are using every day to create content, generate traffic, build audiences, and earn commissions without needing an office, a boss, or a complicated setup. And if you'd like to create faceless videos just like the one you're watching right now, make sure you check the pinned comment below, because that's the exact AI tool I use to generate content ideas, create scripts, and speed up my entire content creation process. Let's get started. One of the biggest misconceptions people have is that making money online requires a lot of money to start. Years ago, that may have been true. You needed expensive software, you needed a computer, you needed a website, you needed technical skills. Today, things are completely different. Most people already carry one of the most powerful business tools ever created right in their pocket, their phone. Think about everything you can do from a smartphone today. You can create videos, you can edit videos, you can write content, you can answer emails, you can manage social media, you can build websites, you can talk to customers, you can join meetings, you can even run an entire online business. That's why so many people are searching for ways to earn money from home using their phone. The technology already exists. The opportunity is already there. The challenge is having the right strategy. The first thing you need to understand is that attention equals income. If nobody sees your content, nothing happens. No views, no clicks, no leads, no sales. That's why traffic is the foundation of every online business. Fortunately, getting traffic today is easier than ever before because of content. Content is one of the most powerful business assets you can create. A single piece of content can attract viewers for weeks, months, or even years. And the best part is you can create that content directly from your phone. Now, the first step is choosing a niche. A niche is simply the topic you're going to focus on. This is where many beginners make a mistake. They try to talk about everything. One day it's fitness, the next day it's crypto, then travel, then motivation, then making money online. The problem is that nobody knows what they stand for. Instead, pick one niche. Become known for something. Some examples include making money online, affiliate marketing, AI tools, personal finance, fitness, weight loss, technology, travel, home business, productivity. The more focused you are, the easier it becomes to attract the right audience. And if your goal is to earn money from home using your phone, attracting the right audience is everything. Now, once you've selected a niche, the next step is figuring out what content to create. This is where many people get stuck. They sit there wondering what video to make. They worry nobody will watch. They spend hours trying to come up with ideas. That's one of the reasons I use Syllaby. The link is in the pinned comment below. Instead of guessing what people want, it helps me discover topics people are already searching for. Think about that for a second. Instead of creating random content, you're creating content around actual demand. People are already asking questions. People are already searching for answers. Your job is simply to provide those answers. That alone can dramatically increase your chances of getting views. Now, once you've found a topic, the next step is creating your content. Years ago, this process took forever. You had to research everything manually. You had to write everything yourself. You had to spend hours staring at a blank screen. Today, AI changes the game. AI can help generate ideas. AI can help create outlines. AI can help write drafts. AI can help organize information. AI can save you countless hours. The goal isn't to let AI do everything. The goal is to use AI as an assistant. It helps you work faster. It helps you stay consistent. It helps eliminate writer's block. And consistency is one of the most important factors in online success. Now let's talk about one of my favorite methods for creating content from your phone: faceless videos. A lot of people want to earn money from home using their phone, but they don't want to show their face. Maybe they're shy. Maybe they value privacy. Maybe they simply don't want to be on camera. The good news is that you don't have to. Some of the biggest channels online never show a face. You can use stock footage, screen recordings, text animations, AI-generated visuals, AI voiceovers, slideshows, simple editing apps, and everything can be done from your phone. In fact, many successful creators never appear on camera at all. Their audience doesn't care. The audience cares about value. If you help people solve a problem, they'll watch. If you answer a question, they'll watch. If you provide useful information, they'll watch. That's what matters. And again, if you'd like to create faceless videos like the one you're watching right now, check the pinned comment because that's the exact tool I use to streamline the process. Now let's talk about where to publish your content. This is where many opportunities exist: YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, TikTok. The beautiful thing is that one video can be published on multiple platforms. Think about that. Instead of creating 4 videos, you create one video and distribute it everywhere. Now that one piece of content has multiple chances to succeed. Maybe it gets 50 views on one platform, 500 on another, 5,000 on another. You never know which one is going to take off. That's why I love repurposing content. It allows you to get maximum value from every piece of work you create. Now let's talk about how people actually earn money from this, because views alone don't pay the bills. One of the simplest methods is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is where you recommend products or services and earn a commission when somebody purchases through your referral link. You don't create the product. You don't handle customer support. You don't manage inventory. You simply connect people with useful solutions. For example, if your audience is interested in AI tools, you can recommend AI tools. If they're interested in affiliate marketing, you can recommend affiliate marketing training. If they're interested in productivity, you can recommend productivity software. The key is relevance. The better the match between your audience and the offer, the higher your chances of making commissions. This is one of the reasons affiliate marketing continues to be such a powerful business model. It's simple, it's scalable, and it can be started from your phone. Now, another important piece of the puzzle is building an audience. Most people focus too much on selling. The smartest marketers focus on helping. When you consistently provide value, people begin to trust you. And trust is what creates sales. People buy from people they trust. That's why every piece of content should be designed to help somebody solve a problem. The more helpful you are, the more valuable you become. The more valuable you become, the easier it becomes to generate income. Now let's talk about another huge mistake people make. They quit too early. This is probably the biggest reason most people fail. They post 3 videos, nothing happens. They post 5 videos, still nothing. Then they quit. The reality is that momentum takes time. The algorithm needs data. Your audience needs exposure. Growth often happens in bursts. One video might get 50 views. The next gets 100. The next gets 300. Then suddenly one video takes off. Now people discover your content. Now your channel starts growing. Now your older videos get watched. That's how momentum works. The key is staying in the game long enough for momentum to happen. Now let's discuss perfectionism. Perfectionism is dangerous. People spend weeks trying to create the perfect video, the perfect profile, the perfect strategy. Meanwhile, someone else publishes 20 pieces of content during that same time. Guess who's more likely to succeed? The person taking action. Your first videos won't be amazing. Mine weren't. Nobody's are. The goal isn't perfection, the goal is progress. Every video teaches you something. Every upload improves your skills. Every piece of content makes you better. That's how growth happens. Now let's talk about AI again, because AI is one of the biggest opportunities available right now. AI isn't replacing people. AI is helping productive people become even more productive. Instead of spending hours on repetitive tasks, AI helps speed up the process. It helps generate ideas. It helps create content. It helps improve efficiency. And when you combine AI with a smartphone, you suddenly have a powerful business tool that fits in your pocket. That's why I believe there's never been a better time to earn money from home using your phone. The barriers are lower than ever before. The tools are more powerful than ever before. The opportunities are everywhere. Now let's quickly recap the process. Choose a niche. Find content ideas. Use AI to help create content. Create faceless videos. Publish consistently. Repurpose across multiple platforms. Recommend relevant affiliate offers. Build trust. Stay consistent. Repeat. Simple. Not necessarily easy, but simple. And if you keep doing those things, you'll be ahead of most people who spend their time chasing shortcuts instead of building assets. Because that's really what we're doing here. We're building digital assets. Content that can continue attracting viewers. Content that can continue generating clicks. Content that can continue producing opportunities. And every video becomes another asset working for you. Now, if you'd like to create faceless videos just like this one, make sure you check the pinned comment below. That's the AI tool I personally use to generate content ideas, create scripts, and streamline content creation. You'll also find my recommended affiliate marketing resource there if you're looking for a simple way to monetize your content and start earning commissions. The opportunity is real. The tools are available. The only question is whether you're willing to take action. Don't wait until next month. Don't wait until next year. Start today. Create your first piece of content, then your second, then your third. Keep learning, keep improving, keep publishing. Because the people who succeed online aren't necessarily the smartest. They're not necessarily the most talented. They're usually the most consistent. And consistency combined with AI and a smartphone can be an incredibly powerful combination. Thanks for watching. If you found value in this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what type of content you'd like to create from your phone. I'll see you in the next video.